The mighty pumpkin. Here are some of the benefits of this amazing good. 1. High in fiber. Pumpkin is an excellent source of dietary fiber, which can help regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and support healthy digestion. 2. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Pumpkin is a good source of vitamins A, C, and E, as well as minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron. 3. Antioxidant properties. Pumpkin contains a variety of antioxidants, including beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which can help protect cells from damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. 4. Anti-inflammatory effects. Pumpkin contains anti-inflammatory compounds like cucurbitacin E, which may help reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis. 5. Supports healthy gut bacteria. Pumpkin contains prebiotic fiber that can help feed beneficial gut bacteria, promoting a healthy gut microbiome. 6. May help manage blood sugar. Pumpkin has been shown to have a positive effect on blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. 7. Supports healthy skin. Pumpkin is rich in vitamin A and beta-carotene, which can help promote healthy skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 8. May help reduce cancer risk. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in pumpkin may help reduce the risk of certain cancers, such as colon, breast, and lung cancer. 9. Supports eye health. Pumpkin's high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin make it a great food for supporting eye health and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. 10. Low in calories. Pumpkin is relatively low in calories, making it a nutritious and guilt-free addition to your meals. 11. Supports healthy hair and nails. The vitamins and minerals in pumpkin can help promote healthy hair and nails, making it a great addition to your diet for overall beauty and wellness. 12. May help reduce anxiety. Pumpkin contains tryptophan, an amino acid that can help promote relaxation and reduce anxiety. 13. Supports healthy bones. Pumpkin is a good source of calcium and other minerals that are important for maintaining healthy bones. 14. May help reduce cholesterol. The fiber and antioxidants in pumpkin may help reduce cholesterol levels and improve overall cardiovascular health. 15. Supports healthy immune function. Pumpkin contains immunoglobulins, which are proteins that can help support immune function and reduce the risk of illness. Overall, pumpkin is a nutritious food that can be enjoyed in a variety of ways, from soups to baked goods to smoothies. Its numerous benefits make it a great addition to a healthy diet.